Welcome, students. Today I just want to talk about the sessional work you're supposed to do for your sessional marks. So I want to guide you about what you're supposed to do and how to do it. So let me share a few instructions. First of all, you need to understand that this sessional work, for which you have 30 marks, will consist of two parts: assignment and presentation at the same time. So what you are actually going to do is choose any work from the selective texts I'll mention at the next slide. Choose any one of them and next analyze any significant theme or stylistic aspect of that work. So all these works are classical dramas, and what you are going to do is work individually. Read these works carefully as we have been practicing for the 2 semesters. Collect your ideas from different sources, but not from unreliable online sources like Wikipedia and others. Try to find out PDF articles available online on the text that you choose for your assignment and presentation. So after reading the text and finding the relevant material, try to develop your own understanding of the text and write 4 pages assignment in which you should focus on a particular aspect of the text. Do not talk about the whole drama. You can focus on a theme that you find is explored at length by the dramatist, or you can talk about any significant stylistic devices that he has used to achieve a certain artistic purpose. And at the same time, you can compare and contrast the work you've chosen for your assignment and presentation to the works you have already studied in classical drama, like Aeschylus' Agamemnon and Euripides' Electra. So try to develop a very good assignment on any of these texts. Next is that you're supposed to cite references of all those sources that you use to develop your own analysis, which means if you use any online websites or research articles or books, you must mention the name of the writer and the name of article or book that you have consulted, so as to let me know you have studied extensively about the text. And these texts are very much critically analyzed texts, so you will find abundant critical material available online. Just go and Google your play and find these articles. So you have to go through those articles and select only those ideas which are relevant to your analysis of a certain theme or stylistic aspect of the work. So if you ask me to guide you about the chronological order in which you should be pursuing this assignment is, first of all, read the text once, twice, thrice. Try to understand it very well, comprehending each and every episode separately and in connection with each other, the way we have been doing during the last 2 semesters. And after that, once you know that you have developed sound understanding of the text, you know each and every episode and what it signifies, what are the major themes explored by the writer, or if you are working on style, what are different stylistic techniques he has used and what is the significance of those stylistic techniques. And then, on the basis of your argument, for instance, if you choose a theme in the play, you should be searching material relevant to that theme in that work. So I guess you will be able to find something useful. So once you read the text carefully, develop sound comprehension, and then read extensively, I mean, during this process, you should be writing down your notes. How you will be using one idea from this writer, one idea from this article, one idea from this book, and then compile all your arguments in the form of one document. So the first thing that you, again, let me remind you, you should do is, first of all, develop your own understanding of the text. If you choose, let's say, the theme of revenge in Sophocles' Electra, now you should be able to analyze this theme throughout the play, how different episodes are related to it, how Sophocles has talked about different aspects of this theme, how different characters uh, exhibit certain details which make us understand this theme better. So how situations and themes and style is related to the theme that you have chosen. Now after that, you should be using ideas from those writers that you have studied, making it a comprehensive and mature analysis and assignment. So this is the first part of your sessional work. You will submit an assignment of 4 pages printed of approximately 2000 to 2500 words. This is the length of your assignment. Apart from the next page that will consist of all the references you have used. The next part of your sessional work is presentation. So you are expected to make a recording of your presentation lasting for 10 to 15 minutes. And for that, I'll advise you to search for a software that allows you to record your screen and your webcam. It might be your camera in your laptop or your smartphone, and record your discussion. And you know very well that a presentation is not slide reading. So your main points and sub points should be written down on the slides, and you should be explaining them. And if the female students do not want to show up on the screen, they should cover their face. But for the sake of ensuring that you have worked hard and you know the concepts very well that you are discussing in your presentation, you must appear on screen. But obviously the privacy of your recording of this presentation will be maintained by us. So this is it. If you have any questions, you can contact me on WhatsApp. Thank you.